and welcome to HotStone Media. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to change your air filter on a Mazda 2. There are 4 metal clips around the air filter housing that you have to undo. Then the air filter housing cover should come off and you should be able to take out the air filter. When installing the new air filter, make sure to fit it the right way round. The corner that is less round should be on the top left hand side. After you fitted the air filter, you can clip the housing cover back and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.